Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150 LEDs. Today we're going to be installing our CREE MKII Spartan kit on the hood of our 2015 F150. This kit is designed specifically for your 2015 F150. It comes with everything you need for the install. I'm going to walk you through it step by step right now. The tools you'll need for this install are two 13mm size wrenches, one 10mm size wrench or socket, and a flathead screwdriver or pry tool. First, we are going to secure our mounting brackets to the Spartan lights. Take the included nuts and slide them into the open channel in the back of the light. Now, take your bracket and slide it into the channels at the bottom of the light. Line up the channel of the bracket with the hole on the side of the light, then take the included Allen head bolt and slide it into the hole and begin threading it into the nut. Then take the included Allen wrench and tighten the bolts. Next, push back this valance to remove the 10mm sized bolt from the truck. Then take the bolt that was just removed and use it to mount the C-shaped bracket to the truck. Note, the wider end of the bracket is the top. Next, take one of the included bolts and slide it into the channel at the bottom of the bracket and through the hole of the top of the C-shaped bracket. Using the included lock washer and nut, start by getting it hand tight and then use two 13mm wrenches to tighten it all the way. Next, take the tri-connector coming from the back of the light and lift up on the valance and run the connector into the engine bay of the truck. Remove the 10mm sized nut from the ground terminal, then slide the ground terminal ring from the wiring harness over the ground post and reinstall the nut. Then repeat this process for the positive terminal. Then connect the tri-connector from the wiring harness to the connectors coming from the Spartan lights. We have three different switch options for your primary lighting. You can use our wireless adapter, you can use a premium in-dash switch, or one of our standard switches, which is what we're going to show you how to install right now. The white connector with the blue wire in the center is the primary lighting connector. Using a pry tool or flathead screwdriver, pull back on this rubber grommet and run the connector into the cab of the truck. Take the white connector coming from the switch and run it under the steering wheel. Pull it through to the footwell and connect the two white connectors together. Feed any excess wire down to the footwell, then mount the switch where you would like it on the dash area. Use an included zip tie to secure the wiring so it is not hanging in the footwell. The white connector with the white wire in the center is for the backlighting. Today we'll be using one of our headlight accessory connectors to connect to the front marker light. Push down on the tab on the front marker socket to release it from the top of the headlight. Connect the headlight accessory connector to the harness from the truck, then connect the other end to the front marker socket. Connect the white connector from the hardwire style switch to the white connector from the wiring harness. Then take the connector from the headlight accessory kit that has the red wire running to it. Lift up on the orange tab and insert the exposed wire from the hardwire style switch, then close the orange tab. Take the included zip ties and secure the wiring harness in the engine bay so it is not hanging freely. So that's all there is to installing the CREE MKII Spartan kit on the hood of your 2015 F150. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing custom LED technology for your Ford truck at F150LEDs.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube and follow us on Instagram and Facebook to stay up to date with all of the latest F150 LEDs news. We truly appreciate your support. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks, guys.